We are joined by Dr. Samina Altaf speaking to us from Islamabad. Now, thank you so much for joining us. Dr. Altaf, Pakistan are on an exponential rise in the number of cases, and the Indian Delta variant is seen as the main cause. What is different about this Indian Delta variant that makes it so dangerous?
It is dangerous because it directly infects the lungs. It directly goes to the lungs and patient gets lung infection. The previous variant affects the throat, and so it is more serious than previous one, the Delta one.
Dr. Altaf, do you believe that Prime Minister Imran Khan's government has taken the right decision by opening all education institutions across the country in the middle of a dangerous fourth wave with the Delta variant?
It should be delayed. There should be no opening of the schools because these kids, they will act as carriers and they will bring infection to homes. So the other prestigious institutions have postponed their exams due to Delta variant spike. And in previous last year, when the school was opened, there was a spike. So there is danger that there will be spike in the Delta variant when the schools are opened. So there should be, I think, decisions should be revised not to open the school.
Dr. Altaf, according to you, what could be the consequences of the government's decision?
So there will be more cases of corona, and they are serious, but we don't talk about the other equation. We should also educate our people to boost their immune system. And immune system is boosted by increasing physical activity and taking green leafy vegetables, eating plant-based diet. So the social distancing and staying at home is important. The most important is engaging in healthy physical activity, daily walk, going to gym, and taking raw vegetables as a salad to immune boost system, so that even it is research says that if you take plant-based diet, even you get the infection, it is mild and you recover rapidly. There is fast recovery from corona.
Dr. Samina Altaf, thank you so much for speaking to Indus News. We are also joined by Amar Imran, Vice President of the All Pakistan Student Mahaz, speaking to us from Lahore. Thank you so much for speaking to Indus News. Now, your body has been representing the students, especially in regards to challenges posed by COVID-19. How do these students see this decision by the government to open all the institutions in the middle of a surge in cases?
So, hello everyone. So, you can say that we represent the students, and we have been trying to convince the government demonstration, and we are trying to convince the government that they are endangering the lives of students by opening the school at this stage of point. And this is very dangerous. We all know that how dangerous the Delta variant is. And now that the Delta variant is present in multiple locations in Pakistan, so opening the school at this stage is very dangerous. So it can be trigger as widespread of this virus, and not the students, it will also endanger the lives of their family and their parents. When they go to schools, they have met the different peoples, so the coronavirus is automatically spread.
All right, Mr. Imran, do you believe that the government has handled these students' issues well during the pandemic?
So PTI government has been very innovative about regarding opening the schools, and they have opened and closed the schools multiple times because they have not failed to figure out the effective mechanism and effective way of running the education sector in the coronavirus, that the government needs to come up with a proper plan which will put the lives of students and future of Pakistan students in danger in such a way. The students have been pressurized by the government.
So, Amar, what exactly do the students demand from the government?
The students demand they demand that they will be consulted by the government officials, and they should be consulted that what can they do, because we are representing from all the Pakistan, and we want us to consult that government consult us.
Mr. Imran, thank you so much for speaking to Indus News.